In this video, I'll show you how to stop auto download in Telegram. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. This works both on PC and on smartphones. Ensure you watch what I'm going to show you right now. Head over to your Telegram account, right? So if there is for any reasons you're having an auto download issue, right? If you head over to your Telegram channel, the chats, the messages, everything would automatically download, right? If you want to stop auto download, click on this. Click on the settings, right? Click on the data and storage. Right now you can see the auto download media, right? Turn this off. Once you have turned it off, you're going to be able to automatically download all this media right away. You can turn it on, you can turn it off. It can be stopped, right? It can be on. So this is how you can do that. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I'm gonna see you all in the very next